Hi everyone, this is Ron Couming from RCS Technology Solutions, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs just like you achieve even greater success by attracting, converting, and retaining their ideal customers and clients. Welcome to this training series called 25 Ways to Grow Your Instagram Account Quickly and Organically. In this segment, we're going to talk about why you should take good quality photos where everything is in focus. I don't think it really matters what camera you use, whether it's an iPhone or an SLR. As long as your photos are good quality, taken in bright, natural lights if you're photographing with an iPhone. I personally prefer a good camera because I want each of my photos to be crisp and clean, and in a dark house it's just not possible. With an iPhone, on the other hand, there are plenty of fashion bloggers I know who have switched to posting only iPhone photos on their Instagram versus an SLR photo on their blogs because they seem to perform better. If you have any questions about this tip, please feel free to reach out to me, Ron, at RCS Technology Solutions, to clarify anything that may not have been clear and see what we can do to help you achieve even greater success.